Today I want to share with you a basic sourdough pancake recipe. These pancakes are not only nutritious, they are so good, and the possibilities are endless with these. You can add ingredients into the batter, or you can make different toppings to go on it. You'll find that with just a few basic ingredients, you can create a meal that you feel good about serving to your family. At this point, if you feel like your batter is a little too thin, you can add a couple tablespoons of flour to it. The addition of the sour cream is not only for flavor, but to ensure that your pancakes are not dry. This part never gets old. When you stir in the baking soda, it starts to react with the sourdough starter and it begins to bubble up and make your pancakes so fluffy. This is the time to add in all those extras. Any fruits you want to put in, nuts, chocolate chips, throw it in there. If you're from the South, you know you have to cook your pancakes in butter on a cast iron skillet. It makes those crispy edges around the outside that are just so good. You'll notice that my pancakes are a darker color, and that's simply because my sourdough starter has been fed with whole wheat flour. If you're feeding with regular all-purpose unbleached flour, your pancakes are going to be lighter in color. These pancakes are perfect right by themselves, but I like to serve them with some eggs or some type of protein to make the meal more filling. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. I promise you won't regret it. They are definitely a family favorite, and they're a great way to use up all of that extra starter that you don't know what to do with. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and check out all of my other videos about sourdough and just some basic Southern recipes that you might enjoy.